Hey nail peeps, welcome back to Sherry's Nail Corner. In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of the Maniology July Mani by Me box. So come hang with me in my favorite little corner of the world and let's get started. So the July Maniology box just got here, and I'm about to do my nails, and I wanted to get this open, and I thought that I would just show you guys what it comes with also. So the Maniology Mani by Me is a subscription box that they started offering about a year and a half ago, and it comes with stamping plates, polishes, a surprise, candies usually too. This is the full box, which is $25, and it's got 2 plates and 2 polishes, and they come with these little postcards so you can send them to a friend and get them hooked on stamping too. And as you can see, there's a little discount code on that one. So these are really cute. A little bit of inspiration too. So here's the box. And you can use this hashtag on Instagram to actually find like other people that already have their box and they've done manicures with this same set or past manicures. And Maniology also posts their new upcoming stuff with that same hashtag. So you'll be able to find a lot of fun things. Here's another little card. This is the one that they send out that tells you a little bit about what's in your box. So this one's called the Untamed Mani by Me box, and it's got 2 polishes in it, Unicorn Horn and Buttercup, and then some Pixie Dust flakies. So if you got something that you weren't sure what it was or what to do with it, this just gives you a little bit of an idea. And the boxes are themed, so last month this was a different little postcard in here also. The next thing is really inspirational because it shows you a look that someone's done with this exact box using all of the products that are included. And it tells you a little bit about what the theme is also. So this one's Pixie Dust, Butterflies, Moonbeams, and Unicorns. It's freaking majestic. And the other side tells you how to use that. So that will be super helpful because I've never used any of the kind of foil flaky things like that. Awesome. Okay, let's see what's in here. Ooh. So here's the Pixie Dust. Whoa. So metallic. You just see the sparkle on that. Ignore my Sharpie hands. We use markers at work. Whoa, whoa. I just want to try it. Oh my gosh. That is really pretty. And it's already flying all over the place, so I'm going to close that back up. And then they've got the nail polishes, it looks like, in here. Okay, let me move this. This is the Buttercup color. And I love how they put these little stickers on here so that way you can see how the colors are going to look over white and black. You just swatch on top of that. So we'll play with that in a second. Here's the other color, a really cool metallic purple. Pretty. So no gummy candies this time. It's obviously in the middle of summer and they melt. So they sent this really cute sticker. All of the Mani by Me boxes come with a stamping guide. So if this is your first box, you'll know what to do. It's this little pamphlet, and it's got a QR code too, so you can go online and see some more tips and tricks. So it's really helpful. Alright, so I was rearranging everything and I noticed too that the Pixie Dust comes with a little eyeshadow applicator. So that's that. Let me show you guys the plates now. This is the Maniology Mani by Me 035 plate, and it's got a bunch of cute unicorn images on there. Some little glitter stars, this big unicorn, a lot of really cute clouds on here, a bunch of cool pictures that you'll be able to reverse stamp with. I think on here probably that one, and this one's gonna be my favorite. Ooh, I like her too with a little crystal thing on here. That one looks like a constellation. Those are cute. Here is the Mani by Me 036 plate. Also unicorns, tons of unicorns. I try not to get plates if I don't like at least 3 of the images on them. And so for this particular one, I really wanted to not skip because I loved these little clouds and this lazy unicorn. That rainbow will be really, really cool to reverse stamp with also. And I like these little sayings on here too. Sparkle wherever you go, be fearlessly authentic, do magic. Let's play with the polishes. I like to pick an image from that and swatch it on here so I kind of remember what box it came with. Okay, I had to pause and put some lotion on because I realized that my hands looked so dry and gross. Anyways, let's go ahead and try the purple that came with the box, which is called Unicorn Horn B340. So I think for this, I'm going to... Ooh, it's hard to decide which design I want to put on this unicorn. And probably one of the sayings will fit on there too. That way I'll get a good feel of the opacity over black and white, and then how it stamps with thinner designs. Alright, so let's try this design. It was pretty hard to work with actually, I guess because it's so metallic. It was drying really quick and picked up pretty patchy. So that's a unicorn horn. Really pretty color though. So here's Buttercup. Really pretty light yellow. That'll be a lot of fun to use. Okay, so here's the tutorial card that comes with the box, so that way you know how to use the bonus item. And I've got all the supplies out. So we'll need a prepped nail, some sticky base coat, the pixie dust, an applicator, a stamper head. And let's get started. So anytime that you're using chromes or powders, you want to use an old stamper that you don't care about messing up. That's why I've got this one that's not as opaque anymore, because I've used it with chromes and then I accidentally ripped it a little bit. So obviously not my best stamper. Here's the nail, and we're going to apply the pixie dust on your stamper head and set aside. Kind of just going in a square shape since that's the shape of this. That way I'll have pixie dust on the entire surface. And this stuff is flying everywhere. Sporadically apply the pixie dust to the surface of your stamper head and set aside. On your prepped nail, apply a thin layer of sticky base coat. When the base coat has dried to a tacky consistency, stamp the flakies onto the nail. Tip: use a non-clear silicone stamper or a stamper head you don't mind getting cloudy for the flakies technique. For newbies, it definitely would have helped to have this tip up at the beginning, because obviously I've already applied this to a stamper head and it was already a crappy one, so that's fine with me. But if you don't read instructions all the way through like I do, you could have potentially ruined a really good stamper head. So now I'm just waiting for this sticky base coat to dry. Okay, so that's dry. Let's go ahead and... Whoa! Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And now you can see a lot of the green and colors in there. Ooh. Okay, and then it says, then you can stamp on top of it and finish with a smudge-free top coat. So let's try that and just make sure it's not going to smear these a lot, because otherwise I have to figure something else out. So I'm almost done doing this manicure, and one thing that I learned about the pixie dust is you definitely have to let the sticky base coat still be tacky, otherwise it's not going to work. So just let this dry till it becomes just a little bit less shiny. Almost gets a little bit of a texture to it. There we go. I think you can kind of tell right there now. And then you just want to do one roll. So I only missed that little corner that time, so maybe I can go back and just tap a little onto that section. There we go.
Damn.
I know I wasn't planning on doing this whole mani like this, but then I was like, I love it.
Whoa. Cool shit.
Super foil. Okay, so I can't even go anywhere in the house or outside to show you guys these nails very well because they are so sparkly. I definitely feel freaking majestic. And who do I think I am doing freaking pixie dust on all of my fingers? There's definitely going to be sparkle wherever I go because it's all over the place, all over my hair, my face. So cute. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video of the July Mani by Me box from Maniology. Let me know what you think. Ultimately, I wish I would have just gone with the plates only just because I didn't really love how the polishes picked up. I was most looking forward to this purple metallic and it's really hard to work with. So when you do get the express box, you get everything except for the polishes. So I definitely would have been really happy with just the plates and the pixie dust, knowing that the purple doesn't really pick up too well. The yellow is nice to have, but I could have skipped out on that. So let me know what you guys think of the items that came in the box this month. And I can't wait to see your manis. Tag me on Instagram at Sherry's Nail Corner so I can see what you guys come up with. See you guys in my next vid. Bye!